guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite French desserts, macaroons. The ingredients we're going to be needing are measuring cups, measuring spoons, a sifter, icing sugar, salt, almond flour, whisk and spatula, some egg whites, and an electric whisk. For our baking tray and our baking sheet, I like to use a circular object and trace it with a pencil all over so you know how big your macaroons are going to be and so all of them are equal. So let's get on with the video. So guys, the first step is to mix our icing sugar and almond flour together. I've already got my 1 cup of icing sugar inside the bowl. Now it's time to add our almond flour. Alright, I'm gonna blend and come back. Now that we're done mixing our almond flour and icing sugar in a food processor, it's time to sift them. This is a very important step or else your macaroons will be lumpy. So let's start. Now that we're done sifting our almond flour and icing sugar, it's time to make our meringue. And we're going to push this aside. Now we're going to be making our meringue, my favorite part. So first we're going to beat our eggs a little bit and add some salt. Now that our eggs are frothy, I have just added the salt. Now time to beat some more. Added some vanilla essence. Now I'm going to show you how to see if your meringues are ready. So mine has created some stiff peaks, that's the first sign, and then flip it over and see if it falls. If it doesn't fall, that means yours is ready. If it does, you need to beat it a little bit more. So let's get on to the next step. Now it's time to combine our meringue with our dry mixture. But make sure to add a little bit at a time into our dry mixture. Now that we've incorporated our meringue, it's time to show you how to check if you're done. So first you need to take up your spatula or fork and create an 8, like so. And if it doesn't rip, that means your meringue, it means that your macaroon is ready. So guys, now I piped my macaroons onto the circles and they look pretty even. Now it's time to let them rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour until they form a skin. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. Order. And now it's time to pop them in the oven. The oven degree and time will be in the description box down below. The macaroons smell amazing. The macaroons just came out of the oven. And you can fill it with whatever buttercream frosting you'd like. My absolute favorite is just a simple vanilla. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And follow me on Instagram at SarahLittleBaker. Bye! See you next time!